For this lesson, you are reading the story, The Legend of Bluebird and Coyote. So it's a Native American legend. Legends are types of folk tales. Okay, so think of them just as folk tales passed down by a culture. In this case, it is a Native American legend. I'm not sure what tribe specifically, but a Native American legend that explains something, which might make you think, oh, remember when I read why the sea is salty, how that explained why the ocean is so salty? It's kind of similar to that because it explains something natural about the world, a natural phenomenon. Keep that in mind as you're reading. First thing, circle 5 adjectives. They can be an adjective that has the ending we've talked about, like Y-E-N-T, I-V-E, I-C, or F-U-L, or it can just be any type of, or spelled anyway. As long as it's an adjective, that's what you're looking for. Now, be warned, just because it ends in this doesn't automatically mean it's an adjective, but for example, dusty, okay, that's an adjective. Fantastic. Okay, Y and IC, both adjectives. So there's 2 for you, find 3 more. What does this legend explain? What do Coyote's actions tell you about him? How are Bluebird and Coyote different? And then, how is this story similar to why the sea is salty, which I alluded to at the beginning. So consider, okay, that was explaining this natural phenomenon of why the oceans are so salty. What might this have to do with that? All right, let me know if you have questions or need help. Good luck.